So we want a thin layer of caramel sauce in the bottom of our springform pan. Now I'm gonna grab some chopped pecans. These are optional. I love the additional crunch. Beautiful. Now we're gonna grab some sliced apples. All right, once we have our apples laid out nicely in that caramel, we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side. And I'm gonna grab a bowl and a whisk and some butter recipe yellow cake mix. So this has some extra butter in it because butter makes everything better. Now this little cake trick that I'm gonna show you is a top secret cake trick. Only the best bakers know this. So you can actually just add a tub of applesauce to any cake mix and it will cook beautifully. So you don't need any eggs, you don't need any oil, you just need 1 box of cake mix and a tub of applesauce. I don't know what's in this applesauce that makes the cake cook, but I'm not asking questions. I'm just making a delicious cake. Okay, so just give this a nice good mix and it will turn into a beautiful cake batter. So this applesauce that I use is 24 ounces and that's for 1 box of cake mix.
I taught you this trick.
Yeah, thank you, babe.
All the
So
best bakers.
this is gonna go so beautifully with our caramel apple pecan that we laid in our springform pan.
So that's gonna go on top of this.
Oh yeah, baby. And this is gonna just be the most beautiful cake you've ever seen. And look, that just mixed up so quick. The easiest cake you'll ever make. Just 2 ingredients. I cannot believe it.
Do you have powder on the bottom? Can you show us?
Oh, let's see. No,
Oh,
that's
no, you're
perfect
good.
if I've ever seen perfect.
You're good.
Okay, so this is gonna go right on top of that beautiful apple design. So I did heavily grease my springform because I am not taking any risks. I don't want this cake to stick. And we're just gonna drizzle that right on top. Slowly so those apples don't move around too much. If you just dump it in there, the apple will move slightly and that's not the game we're playing today. Grab your spatula. Oh, it just smells like an apple dream in here. Okay.
It's almost like a porridge. It almost looks like a porridge.
Yeah, it is a little bit thicker than a normal cake batter, but trust me, it's gonna be just as fluffy. Okay. Perfect. And we are just gonna do a slight movement with our cake. Okay. And that caramel's gonna act like as a butter mixture to make sure that those apples just come off the pan perfectly. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for about 45 minutes. It's super quick. All right, so this is all cooked up. I do wanna warn you guys, you should put a pan underneath this because the caramel got all crispy in there.
Cooked out a little bit, that's all right.
Let's see, oh, okay.
Let's check it out.
Release your springform. Whew, that was easy.
Wow, look at that.
Doesn't that look delicious?
But I remember what was on the bottom.
Yeah, so we are gonna flip this upside down so we can make this an upside down apple cake.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
All right,
moment of truth.
take this off. Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Slowly, you don't want those apples to come up with the cake.
Wow. That looks absolutely delicious.
Beautiful upside down apple cake.
Let's cut into it.
Oh my, this is the best cake I've made so far. Don't you agree?
It looks pretty dang good.
I'm so excited. Okay. So we're gonna cut. Oh, this is gonna be so good. And remember, we use that applesauce to cook the cake, so it's gonna be apple flavored.
Oh my gosh, it's so crumbly.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. Oh yeah.
Gosh, look at that.
Ooh, that looks so good, you
Wow, look at the
guys.
steam.
Okay, I need a bite of this right now. Yum, yum, yum.
Good?
Oh my gosh, I could eat this all day, guys.